And oh, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Test, test, test. How we doing? How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Oh my gosh. How we doing? Echo. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Bergix, Damon, V001, Bumbule, LA Beats, Crispy, Igo, We Fancy. Shoutouts PSG, stand up. Silver bells ring. That's right, Shwani. How you doing? Il Pasoto, Besed, Maestro, wrong person. Mark, Pedro, Chaos, shoutouts KIMBA AI, shoutouts Calling Noob, shoutouts Buzzo. Good morning, Lions. How we doing? How we doing? Yeah. The math is the math. Fishingy Gaming, let's go. Let's go, Housty. Cage, good morning. Shoutouts Housty, shoutouts Cage, shoutouts team. Let's go. How we sounding? That music sounds low. $3 p.m. Good afternoon, fishing. Bear Gap. Let's go, Maestro. Curvies. Good morning. Bud Fox. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, Curvies. Shoutouts PSG. Let's go. Back to McDonald's Grill. Are we going back to McDonald's? Yeah. Rainy, cold Christmas week. Shoutouts to all the Christmas enjoyers. Shoutouts to all the Hanukkah enjoyers. Shoutouts to all the Kwanzaa enjoyers. Shoutouts to all the non-celebrators. Hey, we got 1 week left in this year. Wrong person, good morning. Yeah. Shoutouts Coinwise. Coinwise sale. Ooh wee. Just in time for Christmas. Who juicing? Who juicing? Who juicing? Hey, how about that? How about that GDP? Wow. What that mean? What that mean? Exclamation Forex Factory. Shots CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. We have a holiday sale that we can juice up on. Yeah, Damon. GDP juice. 86,500 KIMBA box, single print, settlement. I like that area. I do like that area. Did you adjust? Yeah, I think if it makes it down that low, you might get a sweep and like get like the 86.5 on futures. But I think if it makes it that low, it'd probably clean this one. Maybe it taps this gap. I don't know if it's going to go all the way down there though. We might just get a little sweep right there. S&P failed auction. Yes. Maybe we tap the naked point of control. Yeah, that gap's interesting down there. I don't know, man. They just keep walking it back up almost to the highs. We've been here before. Trading into that single print. Let's go, Blink John. Sweep the Friday low. What was the Friday low? Was this the Friday low? This one? Yeah. I think that's if it swing fails it. But you gotta get back out of the gap. The 05 of the gap though, that's interesting. Yeah, and you know what your invalidation is. You start trading, closing down below here. Chances increase, probability increase to fill it completely. It's a scary long or short right now. Yeah. I mean, the highs are bad, the lows are bad. I think it's just intraday little setups. Yeah, especially with like the holiday week. Market's gonna be not as active on Thursday and Friday. Yeah, it needs to get above that resistance. It keeps rejecting up there too. But you know what that means. You get up there and start actually getting closes. Higher probability of support. Hey, what's up with the Christmas weeks? Let's get it. You guys see that? What is it? Christmas weeks? Xmas weeks? Exclamation. Yeah. Look at that. Prize pool. Crazy Christmas. Feature bonuses. Yeah, they got some depot bonuses too. It's pretty juicy. Shout out to Indo Lion. Shout out to Kimba Gang always. Big shout outs to the YouTube. Good morning, Kieran. How we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's fill Santa's bags, yeah. Yeah, there's not much below 79. Yeah, maybe it's just a sweep if it went all the way down there of that 74. I don't know, you really don't want to lose all this. Monthly open. Damn it, I like that. I like a little lower to just clean a bit more. But I see you. Yeah, maybe like sweep down into the gap right here. Clean that little level. This little thing. Like wick into the gap and come back out. Can't even get it all on the screen. There's our golden pocket right below. Let's go, Blank John. Leaving the bad ones for later. We've been doing that. Yeah, the problem is that we keep turning. We keep rejecting. Leave the bad highs for later, leave the bad lows for later. Really kind of depends on S&P. It keeps pushing higher, but we keep not. I think that it's going to have to break up and hold. I don't know if that's going to happen for the end of the year. You might get that Christmas rally though on the liquidity. I think if it happens over the holiday though, that's maybe a increased probability of being a short. You get that rally. They run it up. US market has been selling into everything, haven't they? Yeah, level to level, Damon. This low here certainly is not good. But single print, I mean, it's not even tested. They haven't even tested it yet. It could even wick into the single print right there. And now we have a bad high, but we're holding below VWAP right now. Get up above it on the open. You guys want candle predictions? I think that that's a good trade, LA Beats. Yeah, I took that on Sunday. I got stopped out yesterday. I was at the screens again. I think if we get like another push up and like maybe clean this, like weekly VWAP now, PDEQ, that could be interesting. Right at the golden pocket. You get like small structure. Like here. You get a lot of things lining up right there. But the highs are bad. It's like that's an aggressive short. pretty aggressive. But at least at the you talking about right now? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking, Damon. I don't really like to short like this low without us breaking structure first. We kind of broke this structure. That's definitely causing a little bit of resistance. Oh my gosh. And its previous day value area low. Fuck's sake, dude. Right here. Hey. Hey, good morning. Come here. Give me a big hug. Good morning. Both of the babies are sick. Are you feeling okay?
Yes.
Can you say who juicing?
Who juicing?
Can you say testnet?
Testnet.
It's gotta be testnet. Let's go. Yeah, early bird. It's not that early. This is late for her. She's usually up like 2 hours earlier. Testnet, testnet. That's right, Cage. Say shoutouts, Cage.
I'm a cage.
Yeah. Can you say PSG?
PSG.
Yeah.
Bugatti.
Yeah, Gugatti. Let's go Average Wong, Bud Fox, Il Pasoto. Let's go Maestro. Alright, big kiss, baby. Love you.
I really love you, Dada.
Oh, I really love you too. Can you guys make me some food? Are you gonna have Cinnabon? Okay.
The little ones are very yummy.
They are very yummy. Alright, love you.
Bye.
Thank you for coming and saying good morning. Hey, Aunt. You got a red eye. You see it? Thank you, guys. I really love you, Daddy. That is so sweet. Yep, that's why we do it. Grenade, let's go. Yeah, shout outs Curvies, shout outs to all the Lions. Predictions are up. Christmas weeks. Exclamation Xmas weeks. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation giveaway. Who knows, we might have some giveaways this week. Tis the season. Should be a talent show later. Full stream schedule right there on the dashboard. Access to all the juicy tools. Check out the Discord. I know one place in the Discord that is by far my favorite, and that would be the PSG. Much love, PSG. Jaskier, let's go. I go. Blue Mamoon. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, LA Beach. Shamaz. Grenade. Bugatti. Gugatti. You're not so sure 88K was in the rear view? Yeah, they're gonna run it back. Run a gap down. Is it gonna be a dip to tip? I tried to clean things up a little bit. Hopefully it's looking a little better. As I say that, like everything pops up in the screen. Yeah, we're back in the box. Back in that box that we've been sitting in for a month. I don't like rejecting down and back in below 89. Man, losing all this and rejecting. Yeah, let's see that. Yeah, you're back inside value for that. How about from the buyback? Yeah, holding it. VWAP's really like kind of parking us. Maybe get back above the point of control. Value area high for today. TDO. Previous week point of control. Volume. Yeah, I don't like these lows though. Even with the single print there. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty expected. It's a holiday week. Towards the end of the year, people are taking profits. Some of these people are like, well, cool. You know, I bought it at 80. Let's sell a little bit. A lot of time you see is kind of like suppressed volatility into the new year. We're still getting good moves though. You know, this isn't that big, but like $3,000, $4,000 just like for normal price action. That's all right. We can juice up off of that. And then that was nice. You know, we had a couple Barts, we had a couple Burges. Yeah, it's opportunities. Opportunities abound. Yeah, I go. I mean, we've been sat in this range for over a month now. I think it was the 21st of November. Least volatile GDP you've witnessed. Yeah. GDP isn't usually like the hyper volatility that you get for FOMC or for CPI, but sometimes the market reaction following it is kind of nice. I don't have a huge amount of I like rarely have expectations, but I'm not expecting a whole lot for the end of the year. You know, I'm kind of like wait to see where we break from this range, if it even does. We could just range until after the new year. But kind of my targets for breaking up, you guys are well aware. We flipped the 91 into strong support. 94 is next, 98's next. Breakdown from here. You know, you could just sweep and sit in the range, kind of grind around a little more. Maybe we close and target the zone a little bit below 80. 78. You want some more mic? Is the music too loud or is the mic too low? Yeah, I'm like super scared because everybody is getting sick. The whole kids and stuff. Is that better? It sounded okay when I was doing the sound check. Mic is low. Testnet, testnet, testnet. How is that? More? Excuse me. If you're not coughing, you're not Latucciing. Sounds not bad. Okay. Cool. Yeah, thanks guys. You'd add further. Louder, more. more. Well, because I was going to scream Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Testnet, 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 juice, 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 juice. Yeah. Gotta use the sauna every day. Yeah. I do need to do the honey tea. I didn't long. 87 Tico. I'm looking for a clean. Yeah, I just want easy mode. I want easy mode. And that wasn't a swing fail to me, especially with how close that is here. My plan is look at clean of all of this. Maybe a test of the single print and come back out. But what I probably will do is just wait. I'm a lot more conservative. So if I wait, I'm gonna wait for this, where you get a higher high. Wait for that. Wherever it pulls back to. Of course, order flow has to support this. Yeah, I'm patient. I'm super patient. Yeah, it's not scalping, but especially for ETH coming right into a US market, we might get a setup like, you know, after the first half hour, 45 minutes. But right off the open, like, you know, we haven't really been doing anything all night, and we lost this level right here. So shout outs to you if you're already in a long. Shout outs to you if you're holding shorts. You know, I took my shot. I got stopped out on this move, and I wasn't at the screens when the second part of it. If I was sitting at the screens on this little sweep here, you know, it didn't sweep everything, but that was the anchor VWAP from like way, way, way earlier. I don't even want to zoom out that much because it's so messy when I zoom out. Let me get rid of this value area. Yeah, and that's kind of interesting, losing value, closing outside, and rather than being an 80% setup, like we close back up in here, that's one of your triggers for your 80% play, your rotation. But we close outside, and rather than accepting back inside, we rejected. So a lot of times when you are looking for those 80% setups, it's a risk that you pose. You didn't get a single close back inside, or you got one, I guess. But reject, 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 value area. 1 minute. BTC, king of the fake outs, yeah. That's juice, Blink John. Yeah, I mean, satin and longs. I mean, I got spot also. So I'm just gonna wait for my setups. I'm not trying to be like too aggressive in like a holiday week. We'll get the setups. There's a lot of divs. You probably get a div off of that if it's a lower low. Alito. Let's get that Bugatti, that's right. I did too, Damon. I wanted a test of it. Yeah, same. I know, exactly, JV. It'd be like that. Yeah, Mondays and Wednesdays normally are pretty pretty crazy for me IRL. And so, you know, I had to be lucky for what I'm looking for to line up with my availability windows, or for, you know, like the high time frame plan to play out and limits get hit. But I really prefer to be at the screen to be taking positions. That's just kind of my system. Not to say that my system's any good, but I feel good about it. Ding, 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 ding. Shout outs to you. Oh my God. It's gotta be testnet. Look at that. Juice. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and go to 7,000 now. Biddy's just gonna sit here. Yeah, that's not like a real level right here. We were talking more about this. Yeah, somewhere up here. We can get an RTH now. Adjust your things. Oh, gap filled. Gap filled on ES. Did it sweep? Micro sweep. That's a sweep for ants. Let's go LA Beats. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Do I not have gaps on this one? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, this is the real gap right here. And right there. Because we traded into it, but that failed auction up there. I don't know. Exclamation merch. I hope Mrs. Mandalo makes me some baby girl coffee. NQ ripped. ES ripped too, huh? Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to do it on that one. Yeah, it cleaned a lot nicer on index. And that's so bad up there. Really close on index. Where's NQ? Yeah, it's about the same type of candle. The high is better on NQ also. Look at that, that's ridiculous. Turn these caps off. You get the order blocks on now. Shout out to CoinWise. Juice! Exclamation CoinWise Christmas sale. Christmas and Yeah, Alito. Yeah, you miss Kimba? You're not liking this? Okay. Sorry. We've been doing this about 4 months. Doing this about 4 months. But I just started trading when I started streaming, so you know, that's why I can't measure up to Kimba. But he thought that he would give some rookie trader a shot. And I think we've done okay. My target's to the downside at 87-ish, like the single print. Around 84, and then sweeping the low if it makes it all the way down there. Let's go, Mark. Big cheers. Hopefully I'll still have a few windows that I'm able to come on. I don't think Kimba's going to come back full-time really the way that he used to. But I don't know. I don't know. He's been working on a whole lot of things. I'm sure I'll still have some streams. If not, I'll have nerd outs. Unless I get shown the door. But I'm gonna try and keep. Yeah, thank you, Shwani. I'm gonna keep working my tail off, and you know, hopefully we all juice up. He's gonna come back as full AI. Yeah, he already was like a real intelligence, not an artificial intelligence, wasn't he? Kimba is the bot in this stream. That's a new conspiracy theory, isn't it? Yeah, big cheers, Shwani. Shwani wanted to see silver, even though he's watching it like crazy. Yeah, it did take that 65 though, didn't it? The other day. Where is it? Yeah. Fucking juice. Are you still on that thing? Lordy. Yeah, that's juicy. Juicy. Close our daily above. That was a weekly, wasn't it? Yeah. That's Strumpf. Oh no, what is gold doing? Yeah, close above on that one too, but that was coming. We saw that a long way out. Now we just need to keep on pushing or establish value up here and not, you know, close the weekly back under. Yeah, pull back, maybe you get like a retest in this zone. Close the inefficiency. Oh, and I had to turn off the gaps, I guess, but I mean, that's a dip the tip so far. Right at previous month point of control. Yeah, I need to change the color on that one. Order blocks. Yeah, there is an order block below. Like kind of in that zone that Damon was talking about. And I think Maestro was talking about this. Yeah, the 87 area, 86.5. Cleaning that little low. It's not a good low there. Dip the tip. And this is looking more and more likely. It's decorrelating. Just a liquidity grab? Are you talking about silver? Yeah. Silver and gold. And frankincense and myrrh. Shout out to the 3 wise men. Exclamation coin wise. $7.5 pixel. Ooh-wee, Blank John. Yeah, they're not providing volume. If anything, they're providing sell volume. But you're not gonna have a whole lot this week, I don't think. There we go, Jedi. XLRD, Merry Christmas. How are you doing? How are you doing? Payushwan. Let's go. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to KIMBA Gang always. Santa help me. Santa help me. ES is still pumping. We're gonna clean that single print. And Biddy is just not. Why? Yeah, Destax. How we doing? Good morning. You can't help me? Oh no, Santa! Santa, please! Santa, please! Oh yeah, it said shout out CoinWise. They have a holiday sale, and they just had a new video drop a few minutes ago, I think. I'm struggling, man. Didn't sleep at all. All the babies are sick. Shout out to Mrs. Mandalo. Grenade, what do you mean you think what's possible and we wouldn't notice? Let's go Satoshi. This EMA indicator? This isn't an EMA. These are VWAPs. These are VWAPs. The light blue and the light red are traditional finance gaps. This is all CoinWise indicators, except for the color candles. Yeah, and these are single prints. And the other thing, these are value areas. So, one at a time for you. Gap's gone. Yeah, and it's like pretty obvious what levels are, but the levels one also has VWAPs. So VWAPs and levels, volume weighted average price. Yeah, they have more. They have order flow and everything. Now I don't remember which one I just turned off. Oh wait, there we go. Yeah, this is TPO and volume combined. So TPO value is the blue, volume is orange. And then single prints or TPO features. It highlights the entire zone rather than just having like a little bar at the origin of it, the way TradingView single print indicator on their TPO chart does. Marks the levels, marks good or bad lows, highs. Yeah, you get arrows, you get extension, different things. It's juicy. It's juicy. And then the other thing that I had on there was the gaps. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it's a lot going on. We know where the gap is at this point. The 05 right here at previous, oh well, day before yesterday, VWAP. Is that day before yet? No, that's like last week, Jesus. Previous week VWAP right here. Yeah, I turned a lot of the labels off just to keep it a little cleaner. And then there's order blocks. We were looking at that a few minutes ago. But there's nothing like really close to here for the order blocks of interest. There we go. Yeah, we're looking at possible reaction up here if it like starts to push, but more likely we're gonna get a clean of this. At the very least, if we start getting closes down here, we probably will go for the whole gap. Yeah, maybe it gets a failed auction. Maybe we have like a failed auction right here on this low. And, you know, motherfucker, it always does this. And like kind of something like that, or, yeah, I think that. You know, you kind of like fake people out, get people like shorting down here, like, oh, we broke down, and then like run it back. But I would much rather see just like a FFA. You know, a little swing fail. If I'm gonna be looking for anything. And we kind of went through like the plan for this region. At least my plan. If I'm gonna be looking for something actively, especially with S&P pumping like this. You get a lot of this right off the open. Yeah, and they're like juicing off of that GDP. We're just like putting in orders. Financio cartel at CME is not willing to trade. Yeah, I mean, I think probably the cartel is going to have a move on like tomorrow afternoon, if anything, or like overnight. Cartel's been doing quite a bit. What's going on, Insistence? Quite a bit in ETH. Let's go. Oh, Insistence. Yeah, we live. We're going to go live tomorrow. It's unusual for me to do Wednesdays, but I do not have to go to IRL work on Christmas Eve. And so I'm gonna do Wednesday morning. Yeah, and we kind of like decided that Wednesday would be a juicier market day than Friday will. And especially with like a lot of international people having Boxing Day on Friday. Yeah. Shoutouts to you if you're a Boxing Day enjoyer. Here comes the volume pump. Let's go, Shwani. Let's go, Skadooch. Is that going to be a single print grab and go? Or are we just gonna keep going up? It is on ETH though. Is it a single print in? Yeah, it is. In ETH, that's like an even nicer clean. If it tucks back in, oof. I don't know. Yeah, I see you, Blank John. Let's go, Reptilian. Welcome to the Lion Cub, Alexra. I had to really enunciate that so Alexa didn't fire off. Exclamation dashboard, we got a talent show coming up later. Tomorrow there'll be a game show. Got morning open stream. Exclamation CoinWise, they have a holiday sale. Yeah, and there's something juicy that's coming from CoinWise also this week. So keep an eye out. Go to their Twitter. Or X. I'm a boomer. Yeah, let's go, Houston. Go to their X and keep your eyes out. Check out their Discord. Yeah, cool little thing about a drop. I think it's supposed to be today. Yeah, juicy. Juicy juice. What is today? The 23rd? WEEX giveaways? I don't know. I don't know, but there is a competition. I think it's a competition, but it's a depot bonus. Yeah, exclamation Xmas Weeks. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Thanks, Shredded Island. Shout out to you, brother. You juicing? Yeah, thanks, Juicy. I'm like retarded when it comes to trying to type stuff out. Yeah, just kind of looking at scenarios. Yeah, we'll see about that little sweep if we close the hourly down in here. Maybe it'll grind around a little bit. Maybe we'll go to that 05 that we were talking about, the 05 of the gap. I guess I can mark it. We'll turn it on for a sec and then mark it and then turn off the gaps again. I'm really gonna try to have like a little bit cleaner charts for y'all. It's been bothering me, so I know that it bothers some of you. I just gotta find where my goddamn gaps are. Did I like delete the whole indicator? Fucking idiot. Sheesh. I know what I can do. Yeah, those are 05 right there. So it's kind of interesting. And then for the move. Yeah. And that's not even like paying respect to volume levels. But that's like right in the golden pocket, so maybe like you pull it back all the way to here for fibs. But it's not like, you know, that's for like a wick. That's for a wick. It's not something to like do like a big shot at. This order flow is not looking super great. And if it tucks in on ES, that's not like a good look for where the market could go today. Yeah, maybe. Just make sure I don't show anything. Yeah, and we're about to trade into that single print too. Get rid of all this. That was the whole point. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Let's go per many. Manipulation. Yeah, Blank John. Ooh wee, into the single print now. Who could have seen that coming? Testnet juice. Juice, juice, juice. Let's go, William. Thank you for the resub. Let's go, Cyper. This is the opposite direction of the North Pole. Shout outs to our penguins in the South Pole right now. This is our first 2 chest of the single print. Exclamation rewind. Validated? Well, we got to close down here. For the bear flag validated. You got to close. Yeah, and coming in with like 2 minutes in the hour. Skadooch. If you long down here, it's not looking super good. What is that one? Got some shorts coming into the lows. And confluence with CBD. Longs are stopping out. Yeah, there's not really a whole lot of edge here. Ooh. You got a whole lot of people trying to hold the market up here. Not as visible here. I think that was aggregated though. Through here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Bugammas, exclamation Bugamma. Yeah, those are some big ones. 68.60. 69.10. Up, hourly. Dip the tip in the single print. And we closed with a single print. It's gotta be Testnet. Swing fail. I'm laughing at this. Short from 89.6. Why is it delayed? Just no orders have come in yet. Volume's down. There we go. Took a minute. It was doing that earlier too. Any of you? Yeah, thanks, Karoon. Laughing at the bank. I did. I mean, that doesn't mean that it's like the long. You guys saw how I picked out or drew that box right here. Anybody can do it. It doesn't mean it's gonna hold. That's juicy though. Tuck back in. And then you have the retest. Uh-oh, hot dog. Is it gonna be decorrelation to the upside now? Shouts to anybody that got filled on a long down here. Yeah, I know. I need to get the CME package, don't I? I should pay for that. I'm saving up. I'm saving up. It's like $7. Is it validated? You have 2 candle closes to confirm. Hourly, it's looking less good, Wando. What happened? Did I get rugged? Kachoya! It's Djibouti. Is YouTube okay? Yeah, shout out to YouTube. Shout out to YouTube. Let's go, Tito. Afnagunka, that's right. Wando, I said that you want at least 2 candle closes to confirm. It's not looking great closing down in the single, or closing down here below that low. But we want to give it time. So I'm not market shorting here. Some people did just short this. Some people did. That's very aggressive. What's your invalidation on that? This? Half of the candle? I'd say probably above that. Right there, maybe. Maybe the gap. That's like a... Your EV is not great. You want to retest. I would give it time. But are you looking for... Are you looking to take a position, or are you already in something? Because you have, like, kind of a setup that we just had. Just gotta give it some time for it to truly play out. Some people already, like, aggressively entered. It's testnet. Let's go, 83rd. Kachoy. Yeah, LA Beats. I took it long. That was my plan. I was talking about it. That was my plan. I would really like to see it, you know, it's small size. Why is it bearish? Yeah, I know, live trading. It's like a $10 position. We talked about it though. We planned for it. A better plan for it was waiting for that exact setup to happen and a higher high getting filled on the retest. That was the true plan, but I said something about wicking into the single print. Did I not? Yeah, I'm not trying to gatekeep on you guys. Let's go, Damon. Let's go, Damon. Yeah, I don't know. It's not like the greatest look, but it's a setup and you have an invalidation. Yeah, we just need to change structure now. You can set your stops, or, you know, look to maybe add. I have no expectation. Yeah, stop loss and profit. Let's go, Mark. Yeah, I'm not in 100K profit. But green is green. All you want for Christmas is some juice. Let's go, Alex Figueroa. Let's go, MJ. Reptilian. Shoutouts to all the longers. Shoutouts to all the shorters. Shoutouts to all the shorters that took profits, LA Beats. I mean, you took profits, though, didn't you, LA Beats? Did you take that long also, you said? Yeah, I don't know, man. I think probably that 80. Wait. You're in a long, just like hold it. Hold it to break even. I don't know. Are you trying to maximize or are you trying to like hedge here? Because your long offsets that now. Yeah. So you already juiced. You got the meat of the trade. You know how like shitty would that be to like be in the long and then get stopped out right here? And then it just like nukes. I could see that happening. I don't know, maybe closes above value. I would think about maybe shaving a little bit off. Yeah, I know. When you take profits, that's when you know the move is going to continue. It'd be like that. It'd be like that. We're losing value and rejecting. Got to get back inside. This is initial balance on TradFi. And we're tucking back in. So you'll have your first hour. Unless we get above this level, it's going to be, again, not looking super good. But look, you get some buyback on ETH. Get back above that point of control. I'm holding VWAP weekly and daily right now. Oh, look at this gap. Are we gonna get a gap fill? 5-minute gaps on CME are not gaps. That's looking better for longs. If we get this 30-minute close back inside, that's gonna be more bullish. Yeah. Yeah, if it changes structure, LA Beats, and maybe look at that pullback. I'm not saying to do it. Oh shit, Damon. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Where are your points? That was red, wasn't it? No, that was a green candle. Was it green and Binance? Is that the open? Yeah, it was green on Binance. Shoutouts to the green candle enjoyers. Yeah, and shoutouts to you if you are holding shorts too. Shoutouts to you if you're waiting. Stick to your plan. Patience is worth it. Patience is worth it. You can't lose money if you sit on your hands. You know, there's that scared money don't make no money, but if it's not what you're planning for, then you're not losing money. Don't get worked up. Don't be mad at me. You want some KIMBA beats? I think we should get some stream beats going. I have been vibing this morning though.
Useless forever.
We are
Finally
really
missed
jamming on
because
it.
I pulled back. The zone I did marked in front, but I was looking back. Cause of my thought for the six stars. I don't calculate my back.
How's that? How's the sound? You want to play video games but want to continue to watch a stream? Insistence. Put it on your other screen or something. I know you have like the ultimate setup. What are you gonna play? Yeah, shout outs to you. It's no worries. Can't lose. Thanks, Damon. It's pretty quiet. At least you can hear me though. Old school RuneScape. Nice. Vegas is proud. Holy shit. Today? Shredded? Yeah, I mean, it could be the cleaner candle. Kagam. Yeah, shout outs to the cleaner candles. Stop out the early enthusiasts. The new Halo. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I bet. Are they ever gonna have GTA? Did it already come out and I'm just like out of it? That's so gnarly, Shredded. People be like that though. Or they have like money and then they're just like, yeah, they're just like kind of greedy. Like, I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna figure this shit out. Or I'm gonna juice up. I don't even need to work anymore. Yeah, I read a couple interesting stories about just random people playing gambles recently. Ain't gonna quit my job. Yeah. Just guaranteed juice, you know? KIMBA still works. Yeah, I probably would quit my job if I was like hella juicing. But that doesn't mean that I wouldn't work. I would be doing something else. It's just like some of the things. You know, everything has its pluses and minuses. But Grenade, I feel you. Swinging hammer sucks. I did construction for quite some time. I have a building company, and I'm not very active with it any longer. But I enjoy like being the builder. It's a headache. and it takes a lot of time, but I enjoy the process. We're going for a wild ride. And it doesn't really matter what you're building. Like, a lot of people can identify or can kind of feel the same about just building something is gratifying. It doesn't have to be a house. It could be a goddamn Lego set. Yeah, very demanding construction. Yeah, that's nice, Insistence. It's a headache though, man. People are knuckleheads and they want way more money than they're worth. And not any offense to anyone, but like, yeah, Karoon. Yeah, I have a like, my family's been in real estate for like three generations, so it was just kind of like ingrained into me. SFP and Binance? Was it? Who juicing? It's gotta be testnet. It's too easy. Why did I even add that fib on there? Was it a swing? No, it wasn't a swing failure pattern in Binance. What was this? I guess the SFP into the single print, yeah. And then it like retested it perfectly. That's where that single print was. Oh my god. Oh, it's because my tick size is off in Binance. It almost perfectly retested the level. Yeah. We get a close up here. It's looking better. I would still watch out for the point of control, like retesting this. I think we're doing okay. I think we're doing all right. I miss KIMBA too, but I think we're doing okay. And you lions have been really nerding out, putting in the work, and juicing, man. I'm proud. I'm proud. I did a little of everything, Karoon. I didn't do too much electrical, but I was like proficient with anything. Nearly anything, because I was GC or am, but carpentry, I hated doing it, but I was a really good drywaller. I hated doing it. Yeah, I hated drywall and paint work. And I got my hands dirty for quite some time. It's nice to be like sitting in the truck while people are doing work. But sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty and you have to learn it. Let's go PSG. Who doesn't hate truck? Fuck, man. I hate hanging it too. Yeah, but muddin'. Yeah, sorry, that was like kind of weird. I had some chickens and I lived next to the city manager, and they called the city on me a few times. And a city truck was pulling up out front, so I was like, oh shit, am I getting in trouble again? Yeah. Let's go, Coke Zero. Long, you're long, then longs and longs. Juice up, brother. Yeah, definitely not out of the woods yet, but it's looking okay. At least stops in profit, right? Let's go, Cage. Let's go, Coke Zero. One more month and you get your ninja. Shout out to Coke Zero. CXT Covalent is gonna carry on ripping. I don't know. I've never heard of that. Am I like in a cave? Lions. Tico. I'm gonna be indifferent. I don't love anybody. I love the Lions. It's the government, man. Are you kidding me? This is a crypto stream. We don't love anything about the government. Except for when they decide to buy Bitcoin. I love you, Jaskier. You're the Lions. Well, that doesn't count, dude. You know what I'm saying. LOL. Do you love him? Yeah, I mean, cutting rates, it's really juicing us up right now, isn't it? But no, it's good for real estate. It's good for other things. Yeah, I love KIMBA. Love all the Lions. Love all of my team. Shoutouts to Cage. Shoutouts to Houston. Shoutouts to Coin Nerd. Shoutouts Buzz, Cyper, Tiggy, Chauncey, MGK. Shoutouts to the dev team. Shoutouts to the graphics team. You know who you are. Shouts to Laquania Lions. Shouts to PSG. Love PSG. I love TA. Love my family. You know, feel the love, y'all. When the drones start flying. Let's go, squad. Shout out Squad Skiller. I mean, dude, that's how you save the economy, isn't it? El Boris. Shout out Powell. What's the chances for the rate cut on the next meeting? That's in the end of January, I think. What's our chances? When the drones start flying, where you at? When the sharks get wild, can you last? Say you a beast, but you ran so fast. Thought you was a thug, now you crying in the back. When the drones start flying, we stay cool. Whole gang solid, yeah, we too. When's the next one? January 28th. 20%, that's it? Oh, let's go, Insistence. I know they're about to have some more quizzes up, but they put some more up. Let's go, Insistence. He was on the leaderboard with 420 points on CoinWise. Juice. Yeah, you should have... I mean, at least frame that. At least frame that before you do another quiz. Tico, did you see Baby Mandalo V1 come in? She was on here a little bit ago. 420.69. Ooh wee. Curvies. I think that's how many game show points you have, isn't it? You are juicing the hell up. Yeah. We had a guest appearance from my co-streamer this morning. Somewhere around there. You're juicing up on that game show. It's fun though, isn't it? Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, Grenade. Exclamation dashboard for the stream schedule. Seriously. Seriously. I've been deep in my charts. Just letting the zones pull apart. Yeah, it's juice. I mean, like, as juicy as that is, I still do this fucking Coinbase thingies. Those little things that you like get like one near token or something. It's been a while since I did it, but I still do them sometimes. They're gonna leave the single print? Well, I doubt it. I doubt it, but we might get a little juice out of it before they clean it. Yeah, the probabilities of leaving it for much later increase if we get a higher high. Yeah, you just need to get a higher high. Did they? I saw like they have a new like app or something. They're just calling it base now. I don't know what all that is about. I'm just waiting for some of my orders to fill on there. Just waiting. Look at this buyback. Good lord. That's a pretty juicy initial balance candle for reals. Are they gonna bring it all the way back and close above? Jeez. That was nice. That was nice. Oh, I wonder if we can fib that. I don't know if we could fib that. You motherfuckers. You motherfuckers. On your derivatives, Shwani? Really? Do you have an account? I mean, is that what you're trading on? Did you have a trade open? Did they hit you with some crazy funding fee?
KIMBA gang made another one.
That's what base is. It's Twitter combined with crappy NFT. Like, why do they have to turn everything into a social media thing? I fucking hate that. It's super annoying. Like, dude, I don't need alerts on my trading view. I'm not trying to talk to you. I can't even keep up with my own freaking like text messages on my phone. Yeah. Yeah, trying to get to previous value. Need to get back inside though. Yeah, even like this above the open would be a positive sign. But you're gonna get some resistance right here. Yeah, get a close up here. Things are gonna look a lot better. Open interest, I love how it acts.
No stress, just runs, no stops, home runs. Market move, I don't jump. I just breathe and get it done.
Yeah, I feel you, Shwani. I was thinking about doing the that Coinbase derivatives thing, but I mean, all of what we're using is fine. I don't need like government knowing more about me. Was it okay before that, Shwani? That's super sus. They allow 50x now? Look at that. IB. Still not the greatest candle, but it looks better. Looks better. That's a sweep. Was it Maestro that was looking at that? I know Damon said he took it. I'm sure all of PSG, a lot of PSG is juicing. Anyways. 50X. Yeah, well, that's a no-brainer. They're gonna make so much money. There's very few people who can trade on 50X and Juice. Tico, I know, dude. They have 500X now. Yeah, is it BTCC that also does 500X? Yeah, I really enjoyed MEXC. Exclamation Palau. Oh my god. Shwani, that is so scary. Was that right before the whole thing? Because that was in like March of 23, wasn't it? That was almost 3 years ago. Ethan BTC. Oh, so let's go through some tickers. This is what it is. We're vibing out. Let's look at a couple tickers. We'll like circle back here in a few minutes and then send it off. Holy shit. That's crazy. The supplier, aka a Latuche distributor, right? I'm just kidding, buddy. At least you got it back, man. That's like hella scary. That's hella scary. He's looking worse than Biddy, but what's new? Yeah, I didn't even test this single print. I have not cleaned this chart up. That's really ugly. And then that, I can't believe they held that. But, you know. Mid 24s to 25.50, I think, is an interesting level if it like really starts losing levels. You need to get back above 3K. Previous week point of control would be a good start, 29.50-ish. Back inside value for that matter. But we get here and things are looking better. The highs are bad. Yeah. Let's go down to Soul. Sorry for the flash bangs, it's like way faster. Here we go. No. Oh boy. Oh boy. It held what it needed to. That's not looking super great though. Yeah, it's like looking rejection of all of that. I'm sure this value area low for this. After we lost it. It's not that bad, but it's not that great either. Zcash, teacher of finance, Cat Hines. Yeah, and it's holding that level. That was a nice retest. Need to make a higher high. If this is a, if we make a lower low right there, at least clean that. Just going simple. Shout outs if you're looking at Zcash. It's a big level on hype. Right at the old point of control. You've got to get back up into like the $31 range. We talked about that a while ago. It's a good day to have a good day. Let's go Addy Snaps. The RTH, LA Beats, dude, I don't know. I need to play with it myself. I would say check their Discord, and they might be able to give you some guidance. Yeah, you gotta select both of them. Both weekend and weekday gaps. It's like an option on there. I know that. Maybe Cage can tell us. I'm not trying to put you on the spot, brother. Yeah, I'll open it up and see if we can tinker with it a little bit. Nothing showing up. Go to the daily. Or go to a higher time frame, like hourly. Or 4 hour. I don't really like going above hourly on CME unless it's daily. Yeah, hype. Silly. Those lows are terrible. I'm gonna get filled at my dollar. I'm gonna get filled at my dollar, but this looks like a fib. Is that a 786? Maybe from the flush to the breakout. I'm gonna go from like the first breakout. Let's just draw it to fit our bias.
Every trade's a check. Now my pocket's looking blessed. KIMBA's the gang, man, you know what it
Get that one out of here. That was a little better. You got the whole like run back up. There we go. We finally did it. We did it, Lions. We made it fit perfectly. That's all you have to do. Look at that pixel. We had these levels for years. Yeah, you got the talent show with UC later. Exclamation talent show. Yeah, I don't like those lows. You gotta, I mean, it's just lower highs, lower lows. It's looking not great. And that's on the daily, yo. That's on the daily, yo. What else do we have? Dot. Dot's a lot. Oh, wait, Crow. Yikes. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. You kind of want to hold that wig. If Biddy goes down to 70, I don't know if that's gonna hold. But that's a long way off. It's level to level. Dodge. but that literally went to 0 on banana. There's like not even value down here. There isn't. What's like the listing price? Yeah, we're like right there. Golly.
Jesse, Pinkman.
You know I love that sound.
Jesse,
I think you know I love that sound.
They scared everyone off. Yeah.
0.382005. You know it's going down.
okay.
Probably.
0.66.
That or nobody's trading.
0618. You know we hold it down.
It's looking okay. We need to get back above VWAP.
075.
Pink.
Think you know I love that sound. Think you know I love that sound.
Jesse Pinkman.
Just hit the beat me. Just hit the beat me.
Yeah, but you know, like, if you get above 87.5, like 87.6, you know, like 87.7 is next. Can't get this juice anywhere. Only here on KTV. It's recorded. You can watch it over and over again on YouTube. Exclamation YouTube. Exclamation XO. Exclamation BTC Live. Exclamation Xmas WEEX. Yeah, big promotion on WEEX. And a huge sale for the holidays on CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Full stream schedule. All the juicy exchanges, including WEEX. Shoutouts WEEX, shoutouts BLOFIN, shoutouts to all of them. Get your UIDs in there. You gotta play to win. Get your UIDs in the dashboard to be able to win giveaways. Yeah, it's juicy prize pool on WEEX this week. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Just the WEEX enjoyers. I was trading WEEX for a long time because that was the only one of our exchanges that we could do coin margin on. Now a couple others do, I think. Yeah, sorry if I sound a little quieter today. I tried to turn my mic up, but like, I'm paranoid I'm gonna get sick. Both of the kids were up all night. Hey, give me a second. I gotta get the door. I'll be right back. Y'all, hold my beer. Hold my beer.
Now I'm cruising, Lambo with the gold rims. Feeling like a king, got the world on my whim. Saddle, I see you hustling, keep your head high. Hope you find the path, make your pockets multiply. It's a journey, every step is a lesson learned. But once you level up, every dollar's earned. Now I'm stacking, no more stresses, feeling blessed. KIMBA gang, we moving up, we the best. Now my grind is on another level. Market moves, yeah, it's level to level. Market moves, yeah, it's level to level. Gang, we juicing profits every night. Yeah, ho, son out here grinding, but it's back too late. Yeah, ho, we don't ever fold, profits locked in tight. Yeah, ho, every trade we make, hitting hard, we right. I know, we don't play around, we hit the market with force. Yeah, saddle moving slow, he can't keep up, of course. Yeah, gang stacking fast, man, we stay in our lane. Every day we getting richer, never playing the same.
We got my helper back. Weeks is not Kimba's exchange. She just has worked out some really great deals with all of these exchanges because, you know, he's trading a lot of volume and he has a lot of connects. He's trading a lot of volume. He's got quite a few friends and supporters that trade a lot of volume, so he's able to negotiate some really good perks. So like deals on fees or rates on fees, sometimes bonuses, you know, all kinds of cool things. B&B is Kimba's, yeah. Yeah, I'm on the Kimba program. He started off as a Binance janitor, and look at him now. I'm starting off as a KTV janitor, and you know, next step up, I'll be cleaning the offices. From janitor to CEO. Yeah. Yeah, they made a movie about that. Let's go, Cage. Curvy is not me. I'm not going to CEO.
I'm helping Dada right now, Mama.
Say, hope you feel better, baby Mandalo. Oh, man. Shout out to Teen Wolf. That's true, JV. That's true. You know, a lot of those streamers, they're underneath Kimba's umbrella for his refs. Isn't that crazy? Kimba's an OG. I don't know if you realize that. That's the only way that they could get their deals that they offer out. Sounds like the guy that created Hot Cheetos. Shout out to him. Harper, don't touch. Thank you. Up, doxed. Doxed. Someone else's code? Wait, which one, on WEEX? Dude, just make a new account under the Kimba thing. I've had to do that before. You want to show them your nice envelope? Those are some pretty stickers. Back to back to back, Mount Gox, trading champion. Shoutouts to Magic the Gathering. Can you hold it up? Look, you're down there on the bottom. See? Can everybody see it? Isn't that pretty? Very artsy. Yeah, there we go, LA Beats. Thanks, JV. Let's go, Saeed. Can you have a sticker? Yeah. You want to just put your address in the chat? 83rd. Big love, y'all. All right, let's look at CME again. Don't hit it, please. Don't hit it, please. This is how I have to talk. If the cord comes out, it's gonna not work. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's do a last minute look. Look at S&P. My goodness. Yeah. We're going for 60-10-100. Meanwhile, please don't hit it. Okay? Will you please? I know that you're bored. I'm sorry. You want the doggy? go. Just don't hit the microphone. Thank you. You wanna show him the doggy? Hold it up, hold it up. Where are you? Hold it up. Right there. Where is the doggy? Right there. We're juicing. Hey, who juicing? Who juicing on Tradfi longs? Ooh wee. Thank you guys. 60, 10, 100. I know. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. It's like one of those balloon animal dogs. Can you say juice, 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 juice,
Juice.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, the balloon keeps ballooning, and this is to represent the U.S. economy and Dogecoin. What's he say? Oh! Oh! But we lions in here. What's the lion say? I'm gonna allow that, JV. I love kids too, especially my own. Shoutouts to all the other dirty kids that got my kids sick and now are getting me sick. I'm super pumped. Right in time for Christmas. That was a beautiful present. Yeah, I know. It's okay.
We ain't doing this for nothing. Blood, sweat, tears, whole lot of long nights.
Hey, shoutouts to Dogman. Shoutouts to PSG. Let's go, Igo. I was gonna turn the. I got so distracted. I was gonna turn on the fade out music. But, honey. You see anything cool on here?
You ain't talking money, little homie, then you miss me. Sacrifice my sleep, I ain't seen my bed in weeks. They was counting me out, now they watching me eat. Grind heavy, heart colder than 100 below. When I touch it, best believe it's finna double and grow.
Let's get it to 83rd.
Fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the meals I took, look how I'm winning right now. Pressure make
All right,
diamonds, I was
so
built from the stone. You ain't working like me, to stay the fuck
we want to
off
get
the
up into
throne.
the gap on
Money don't
CME.
sleep. Neither do
If you're
I.
looking
I've
at
been grinding too long to let a broke boy slide. Had to cut some ties, I ain't stressing
ETH,
the loss. You ain't helped build a table, you
that
ain't
lines
eating
up
boss. They ain't showed
with your
love,
88,
young, it was down.
88.1, 88.2 zone, reclaiming it.
I got us, I ain't letting shit break me. Every dollar made was a risk,
S&P,
ain't no safety. Look me in my
ES.
eyes, tell me what you see. A soul full of scars, but a heart full of G's. This ain't luck,
Maybe
boys,
looking
they
at a
getting out the
run
mud. Ain't
on
no cheat
ES up
codes
to
here,
like
just
69.60.
sacrificing blood. Joyous in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now.
But the
All
highs
meals
are
I
all
took, look
bad.
how I'm winning right now. Pressure make diamonds, I was
Yeah,
built
that's
from the
not that
stone.
bad,
You ain't
but
working like me to stay the fuck
in
off
high
the
time
throne.
frame it is. In high time frame, and that's adjusted too. You don't want to adjust for like that far back. That's really close.
What's wrong with my baby
KIMBA gang, he
bus?
ain't playing with y'all.
Is he crying?
You either grind or you starve.
I'm finishing.
Simple as that.
Are you gonna go with Mama?
If you ain't sacrificing something,
Say shout outs to baby Mandalo. Shout outs to Mrs. Mandalo.
stay silent, stay hungry.
Mrs. Mandalo is a better trader than me, so y'all don't even know. Where'd the sound go? What sound? Do you not have any music? Cachoya! Cachoya, Cachoya, Cachoya. Statistically, they are. Congratulations, Shwani. You haven't held her yet? Oh my gosh. I hope that you're able to see her soon. Wow. And now it's like getting to be like the fun, like when they start to have the fun age. I hope that you're with her soon, brother. Crypto, 83rd. Crypto. She's mostly doing spot now though. She was doing futures, but she's like super busy with the kids. They're a handful, dude. Yeah, but you know those people, like, I mean, usually you're better off buying and holding, especially when you buy at lows. And so that combined with some good entries, combined with not over trading, is a kind of a nice way to do it. She's not like actively trading and taking positions every day. She was a little bit, but that's juice. Baby Mandalo is going to be a pro trader, definitely better than me, I hope. 1v1 Mrs. Mandalo trading stream, that would be juicy. Yeah, a few sats. Dude, I pay her more than that. God's sakes, man. That's why I work 20 hours a day, is to pay for all of this. It's all worth it. All worth it. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl, good mama. All right, LA Beats, have a great day. We're gonna be sending it out of here. Try to join us tomorrow. We're gonna do it tomorrow instead of Thursday because of the Christmas holiday, markets being closed. But if I don't talk to you, yeah, happy holidays to you as well and your family. Yeah, much love. Thanks for hanging out this morning. Kachoy on the shorts, right? Oh, that's your hourly. Yeah, maybe up to the gap. We just closed above. That was juicy. But how many times have they done that? Here we go. How many times have they done that? Like juice on the first like hour, hour and a half, and then they just like nuke it on us. They did it yesterday, wasn't that? Was it yesterday that they did that? Yeah, they just kind of held it, and then they started like... Yeah, they tried it, but that was like kind of programmed. It ran the high, and then, you know, they dumped it right off of the market, bought it back, sold into it again. There's only so much buying that can hold. Yeah, and buy back on less volume each time with bad lows. This low isn't great, but it's not that bad. Yeah, how big is it? $90, it's not that bad. It's not great though. Holding the single print, change structure, maybe looking for a pullback. You at least want to like see it pull back to like VWAP or something if it breaks structure, but more than likely you get a pullback to the point of controls, and that's all assuming that we change structure. But things are looking okay. Things are looking okay. Couldn't sustain the selling. Some longs coming back in. Stopped a few out. Not really a lot of bottom shorts. And we saw that on EXO also. So it's not like I'm just using Shoutouts CoinWise, long and shorts. Yeah, that was a big one right up here, but that's way up here. You might start to get a cascade if we get above like the 89. And that's what the longers are looking for. Shoutouts Coke Zero, shoutouts Curvies, shoutouts Tico.
Watch as they move, how they ride my
That's
way.
juicy, Tico.
Fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways.
Yeah, we did something for Mrs. Mandalo's family. That was you know, rewarding. Always when you're able to do something for others that you care about. I don't give a shit. Like, I always say this, like, I don't care about Bugattis. I care about time, and especially time with the people I care for. That's why I'm able to spend some time with y'all, because I care for y'all too. Much love. Yeah, JV, secure the bag. Secure the bag. Wait. Secure the bag. It's very difficult to have your balance after. Oh my god. Let's go. Juice. Bugatti. Testnet. Ooh wee. You know I had to turn on 2 letters, 1 word.
Let it stack, we're on the rise. Juiced up profits, hypnotize. Feel the baseline, let it flow.
Juice. Juice.
Let's go. Feel that.
It's too easy. It's gotta be testnet. Yeah, we gotta eat. You know, we lions. Let's go, dog man. That still trips me out, man. I'll never get over that. Yeah, yep, got my try hard pants on. Yeah, the 89K is interesting. This is gonna be interesting up here, honestly. Your opens and like weekly VWAP, all of this at the top of the box before we get there. Yeah, somewhere up here we had drawn a box. I think there's going to be order block up here if I turn that thing on. It should. Yeah. Oh, the first order block. I like this one up here more because we've been consolidating around this one for so long. Yeah. There's a breaker right here. I like these more, but we already been testing that one, so need to flip it. Need to flip it for like real continuation, but even if it pulls back, we have a plan. We were looking, you know, pull back down to here, potentially. Shoutouts CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, Christmas sale. Exclamation CoinWise, exclamation Xmas WEEX. 15K swings this morning, Lord of mercy. Yeah, I hope you have some like Pepto-Bismol, Schwani. Juice, Bugatti. Yeah, Christmas rally, let's go, no mama's way. Send it. Much love, Namgod. Dog man. Yell TP when? When TP? I wish we had these things. Oh wait. When TP? The GIF commands. If you get 96, lordy. If it makes it a 96, you probably get 98. The Sending. Yeah. 97 too. Yeah. I think it would. If it makes it up there, it'll overshoot and you get like 99 or something. Maybe even 100. How it gets there and when. What just happened? I didn't hit skip. I got hacked. Why pump? Because ES is pumping. Yeah, GDP was really bullish. Yeah, look at these shorts. Why wouldn't we destroy shorts? Yeah, clean that. Now we want to look for the tuck back in. But a close up here, you know, if you close above 87.9, probably 88K is next. Now you might be targeting these highs, 89. Hey, y'all, Lions. Today's the 23rd. It's a Tuesday. After today is Wednesday. After Wednesday, we got, you know what it is. Hey, I gotta run out really fast. I'll run out fast and then send it off, or send it off like hard stop. What do you think? Talk quick. Talk quick. Yeah, 98K nuke after. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back in 1 second. We have enough time in the playlist. Yeah. 1 minute. We can do this. We can do this. This is weird. But I have to step out. Fudge.
No fear now. Every move I make is so clear now. Build my edge, now I see how. I was lost, but I'm here now. I'm flying, no doubt. Through the fire, never burned out. Every trade, every breakdown led me right to this plane now. We hope you've had a great day. With KIMBA gang, we've paved the way. Prepared and steady, we rise above. With math and reason and a little love. We called the moves, we stayed aligned. With every step, the stars combine.
My bad, y'all. My bad. All right, swing fail. We're gonna wait and see. Get above VWAP though. Get above the point of controls. At least that. Come on now. A lot of shorts just got closed. Is that all we're gonna get? In your second hour. Are they gonna tuck it back in for the second hour? Or are you gonna confirm with the close above? That's right, Cage. That's right. Yep, busy day. Got a lot to do. Got a lot to do. Shout out to Coinwise. Christmas deal. We're looking at order flow. This is net long. Oh wait. Longs and shorts, exo charts, and on TradingView, Coinwise. Open interest. Positions closing. This is net longs and shorts. Aggregate. This is longs. This is shorts. That down candle suggests that shorts were closing quite a bit. Especially with a wick above a level. It looks like that. Yeah, but you want to have open interest going with the direction. So the longs not closing yet. That might, we might still have more juice in the tank. Look at that CBD right there. Yeah, that's I mean, that's like exaggerated, but that was a div. Yeah, exclamation coin wise. Tico. Right here. And then this is buy and sell. I need to fix this one. I had it set up on the other layout, but that's relative volume. Yeah, these are the same chart. Get all my tools on this side so we can see the screen big. Hope you have a great day. Hey, we'll be back bright and early tomorrow. Exclamation dashboard to join up with the exchanges. Exclamation weeks. Exclamation Xmas weeks. Stream schedule on the dashboard. Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, I'm sure we'll have some giveaways this week. But check out the stream schedule. We got a talent show later on this afternoon. We will have a game show tomorrow after my show in the morning. Should be juicy. Yeah, maybe we get a little something towards the end of the week. Make sure you check out CoinWise on X. They're gonna have something dropping probably today, I hear. I'm not in control, but I think that that's the word. Yeah, it could be a little bit of juice. And yeah, y'all juice up. We had a good morning. The math is the math. You know, you put enough lines on the chart, they're bound to work. But shout outs to the longers, shout outs to the shorters, shout outs to the people that are patiently waiting. Yeah, Tico. Yeah, and Tico, exclamation talent show. You can write your own song. You can use AI to help you write it. You can write it all by hand. And you can have the chance to win. I think it's what, $250 prizes? Yeah, it's the talent show is a competition, and you write the song, we put it to music, and yeah, you can win. Yeah. So you just have to submit. You have to submit your entry. But it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I made a few songs. I was never good enough. You know, I could have been, but I blew my knee out. Yeah, shout out to Housty. Shout out to Cage. Shout out to the whole team. Much love. Shout out to Buzz, Cyper, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shout out to the dev team, graphics team, video team. Shout out to Kimba himself. All the exchanges. Shout out to CoinWise. And shout outs to all of my lions. Big cheers, calling noob. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Shout outs to Rogerlicious. I know, the arrow to the knee. That's a Cachoya. I know, I had potential, man. Back in 82, I could throw a pigskin a quarter mile. I know, dude. I had a scholarship and everything. Yeah, not everybody knows that reference that I was saying. But if you know, you know. Yeah, big cheers, y'all. All right, Any last minute questions? I think we are good to go. We've been playing it on like the same chart for the whole time. 4 touchdowns in 1 game. Good lord. Like Reggie Bush up in here. I'm old. Shoutouts if you know Reggie Bush. I did get away with that long, dude. Hey, that was my plan though. I was looking for that test of the single print. That was a very aggressive trade though. I usually am a lot more conservative, but it's a small one, so it was worth taking a shot. I'm like sitting here talking through it, man. I just felt like I'm gonna have some fun with y'all. I think that there will be a retrace. I don't know if it's gonna go to the KIMBA box. I don't know if you want it to go all the way back to the KIMBA box, but that is value area low, so it could turn out to be a trident like Damon was saying. Yeah, if you like pull back to like value area low and then go, like maybe it's like that. But I think you're more likely to get something like this. There's your KIMBA box right there. Holy goodness gracious. That's got to be testnet. Hey, we had fun. I had a great time this morning, Lions. Thank you for a great day. Let's go, JV. Yeah. I'll probably look for a little something on the retrace. If I'm still sitting at a screen, which I'm going to be part of the screens all day, I think. Let's go, Happy. Let's go, Kirby. Syed. Kagam, best of luck to you. 500x times 1k. Tico, you know, stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. I'm not trying to like clout shapes or anything, but we've been doing okay. We do a lot better in lower leverage though. We do. But risk managed. Risk managed. We're not doing anything reckless, at least on this end. The people that are planning to stick around. I know you're just kidding. I know you're just kidding. But I hope you juice up. I hope that maybe I said something that could be helpful, even if it wasn't like identifying an area. Maybe it's just the way that I was looking at it. Ash, I didn't see you. Big cheers. How you doing, Ash? Happy Tuesday. Yeah, that's great. That's great, Tico. Well, I hope you get it. Welcome. Hope to see you tomorrow. Hope to see all of you tomorrow morning. We're going to be juicing. We're going to be juicing either way. Let's go, Daw Man. Let's go, Inky. All right, we're out of here. Love y'all. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation coinwise. Big cheers. Love ya.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Who got money focus, flexing on my mind.